Hey everybody, this is Stephanie and that is my sister Laura, and we just put this Christmas tree together. Thank you to the sponsors that sent me the Christmas tree. And we just put it together. It didn't take us what, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It was easy to put together, especially just a Christmas tree. It comes with those lights, right, Laura?
Yeah, comes with these lights. Oops.
Mm-hmm.
It comes with the ornaments, and it even comes with gifts. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, the tree top.
Right.
The star.
Right. The star goes up
and
there.
it all comes neatly in this box. Mm-hmm. Hey, listen, once you use it, you can take it down and store it for next year.
Yep.
It was very, very simple to put it together. You can have the children do it. Lots of fun.
That's right. Or if you don't have any kids, you just want to be in the spirit, you just want to go ahead and put the Christmas tree up. So, and have it, and like she said, we can use it again next year.
For just a few pennies, you can reuse it.
Yep, yep. So it's all good. It's a beautiful tree. And when you turn the light off, it will be even more.
And guess what? There's really gifts in these boxes. So you gotta get a tree to find out what's in there. Hey, happy holidays.
Happy holiday. Happy holiday. And thank you to the people who sent me this. I appreciate it. And I appreciate you too, Laura.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Box.